Hello, kids! And today we have 6 games. So let's play our first game. And today we're gonna learn about the numbers and the colors, but we also gonna find the puzzle pieces for the crab puzzle game. So let's start. Oh, where did they go? Let's find the puzzles, the numbers, and the circles. And we also need to find smiley face. Let's go. So we're gonna pick our first crayons. We have different color crayons. We have red color crayon, pink color crayon, orange color crayon, brown color crayon, green color crayon, yellow color crayon, and a blue color crayon. So let's pick the first one, and the first one that we're gonna pick gonna be the yellow one. Yes, so let's shake it like this and open it. Oh, we have different parts here. So we have the circles, the puzzle piece, 2 of them, and the number. Okay, let's start with the puzzle pieces and let's turn around them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have corner puzzle piece and the side puzzle piece. So let's think where we should place the corner puzzle piece. Let's look at this image. And we can see that here is the small flower, the white one with the green. And here it's there. Let's place it right here. Great, let's pick the next puzzle piece. And we have an eye of the crab. So let's think where we should place it. And I think it should go somewhere here. Let's leave it like that and let's continue with other stuff. And let's take our number. And let's turn around. So this is number 10 and it's a violet color. So let's take the number 10 and place it somewhere on a board. I think it should go, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. And we have violet circles. And we should place them also with the number 10. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Congratulations! We completed our first crayon and we found 2 puzzle pieces, number 10 and 10 circles, 10 wheels. Great, let's continue. And the next one crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be which one? Yes, it's gonna be green one. Let's take it and shake it like this. 1, 2, and open it. Great. We have different pieces in this crayon. And let's see, we have circles and these circles are different colors. And we have 2 puzzle pieces and 2 numbers. Okay, let's start with our puzzle pieces. And here we have the eye of the crab and the hand of the crab. Let's place it here so we can connect the eye with other puzzle piece. Great. And here we have a part of smiley face of the crab. And let's think together where we should place it. Let's look at the small puzzle image. I think it should go here, like this. Let's try it together. And yes, great. Well done. Okay, we found 4 puzzle pieces. And let's continue with the next things that are on our table. And let's take this number and let's turn, and it's a number 4. And let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. And we have 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, and yes, 4. Great. You're doing amazing. Let's continue with this number, and this is number 3, and it's a yellow color. number 4, green color, and number 3, yellow color. And let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. Great, let's place it here. And we have 3 yellow wheels. And let's place like this. 1, 2, and 3. Amazing! I'm really excited that we are continuing our journey and you're doing amazing job. Let's continue with our next crayon. And the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be blue one. And let's shake it like this and open it. And we have here 2 different puzzle pieces, number, and we have wheels. So let's start as always with puzzle pieces. And let's take them and think where we can place. And you can see here that we have side puzzle piece. So it should be somewhere on a side and we need to decide where we should place it. And here we can see the part of smiley face of the crab. And it's somewhere here, I think, somewhere on this board. Let's place it like this and try together. And yes, it's gonna work. And we have completed another puzzle piece. And let's take this one. And here we have a hand of the crab. And this is the corner piece. So we can place somewhere in the corner. We can place it here, 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 or here. And I already see that we can place this puzzle here because you can see we can combine them. So let's push. Great. And let's continue with our number. And this is number 8. And it's a dark blue color. And let's think together where we should place it on the board. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. And we have 8 wheels. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one, 8. We are doing so great that we are completing this puzzle in no time. So let's continue. Let's pick our next crayon. And the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the orange crayon. Let's shake it and open it. And we have here different puzzle pieces, wheels, and the number. Okay, let's think where let's solve this one by one. Let's take the puzzle piece and turn around. And let's take another one and turn around. And you can see that we have corner puzzle pieces. So we can place them here, 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 like this. So we need to think where we can place this one. And this is the part of the hand of the crab. And we already have the first hand here, the right one. So this gonna be the left one. So let's try to place it here and let's push. Great. Let's take another puzzle piece and let's look at the small image. And on the small image we can see that there is like a small green bush in a corner. And here we also have small green bush. So let's place it here. Great. Let's take our wheels and let's take our number and let's turn around. And you can see that this is number 6. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yes, 6. Great. And we have 6 wheels. Let's put them on this pole. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. So the 6 wheels represents the number 6, and it's a pink color. Great. Let's continue with our puzzle and with our numbers. And let's take the red crayon. And there is a lot of things in a red crayon. Let's open it. Oh, we have the puzzle piece, we have the number, and we have the wheels, but we also have the smiley face. And this is something special that we're gonna place on this board, but let's leave it at the end. Let's start with the puzzle piece and let's turn around. And you can see that here is the face of the crab, and it should go somewhere here on the right side, because on the left side we already combined the smiley face of the crab. So let's place it here like this. Great, we are completing this puzzle. And let's continue with our number. And this is number 7, and it's an orange color. And let's place it on a board. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yes, 7. And we have orange wheels. And let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we only have 6 wheels, but this is the number 7. So somewhere in these crayons, we have the last wheel for the number 7. So let's find it. And let's open the brown color. Let's shake it. Okay, we have puzzle piece, the number. We have actually 2 numbers. And we have wheels. So let's start with the puzzle piece. And let's see where we can place it. And this is the side puzzle piece, so we can place somewhere on a side, like this. And we have here the smiley face of the crab. And we almost gathered all the puzzle pieces for the smiley face and combined them. So I think we should place it somewhere here. And let's try it together. Yes! Congratulations! We only left with the 2 puzzle pieces. So let's continue with numbers. And here we have number 1. And number 1 we should place here, because that's where we start. 1, 2, 3. It always starts with the 1. So let's place there. And let's take the red color wheel, because the number 1 is red color. Let's place it here, like this. And we also have number 2. And number 2 is also red color. Let's place it here. 1 and 2, like this. Great. And we have 2 color wheels. 1, 2. Great. And let's take our last crayon. And it's a pink color crayon. And let's open it. Shake it like this and open. Oh, we have a lot of things here. So let's go one by one. And the first thing that we're gonna go would be the orange wheel that we need to place for the number 7. And let's count together again. Let's take all of them and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yay! We completed the number 7. Let's continue with our puzzle pieces. And we only have 2, but which one should go here and which one should go here? Let's think. And I think that the one that should go here would be this one, because you can see we have a little bit of the sand here. So we're gonna place like this. Great. And this one we need to turn like this and place it. Great. We completed our puzzle piece. And let's go with the numbers. So we have here the number 5, and it's a blue color. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's take our wheels and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. And we have here the pink wheels and the number, yes, the number 9. Let's take the number 9 and place it here. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and yes, 9. And let's take our wheels and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one, 9. We completed our puzzle and the numbers puzzle game. But we also have the special smiley face that we need to place on this puzzle board. And you can see that there's empty space for the smiley face. Let's place the smiley face here. Great. And let's count again the numbers. 1, and it's a red color. 2, and it's also red color. 3, it's a yellow color. 4, it's a green color. 5, it's a blue color. 6, pink color. 7, orange color. 8, dark blue color. 9, light pink color. And 10, violet color. Great! Thank you for joining this puzzle game and see you in the next one.
That was amazing! And our next game is game number 2. So let's start!
Today we're gonna learn about the numbers, about the colors. We're also gonna solve our puzzle with the police officer, the dog, and we also gonna find the puzzle pieces for the plane. And you can already see that one puzzle piece just went off, but that's okay. Let's start, and we have beautiful crayons, so let's start. Oh, where did the numbers go? And the puzzles, and the airplane. Let's think. And you can see we have a lot of crayons. Maybe let's open our first crayon. And the first crayon that we're gonna open gonna be the green crayon. So let's do it. Let's shake it. Let's open it. Wow, look how many things we have. We have the numbers, the puzzle piece, and the puzzle piece from the airplane. And we also have another number. So let's start with a puzzle piece. And let's take this puzzle piece and look at this puzzle board where we can place this part of the car. And it's a back part of the car. Let's think. I think we should place it like this. Great! Let's look at those numbers. And we have number 10 and numbers 1. Okay, let's think where we can place the number 10. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and yes, 10. And it's a 10 green color. Great, and we have number 1 yellow color. So let's think where we can place. I think it should go here because it starts with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! We found 2 numbers. And we also have the part of the airplane, and I think it's a wing. Let's look at this image. And where we can place. Let's again look at the shape, and I think it could go maybe here. Let's leave it like this, and later we can change. Let's look at those crayons. Which next one we should open? Let's maybe take the pink one. Great, and let's shake it and open it. Wow, we have the number, the puzzle piece, and the piece from airplane. Okay, let's start with the number. And here we have the number 2. And let's think where we can place it. Let's count 1 and 2. And you can see it's also like a flower shape. And it's green color. So we're gonna place it here. Great. And here we have the body of the airplane. And you can see we have windows. Let's think where we can place it. I think it should go somewhere here. But you can see our wing doesn't go here well. So maybe let's rearrange. And maybe let's turn around like this. And take this wing and place it like this. Wow, great, it worked. Wow, amazing. And let's take the puzzle piece for the police car. And here you can see we have a traffic lights. We have a green color, the yellow, and we also have the part of the police car. Let's think where we can place, and I think it should go under the sun, like this. Great! Let's continue with our puzzle adventure. And the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the yellow crayon. Let's shake. Wow, we have a lot of things here. And let's look at the numbers first. And we have 3 numbers. We have number 3, and let's think where we can put the number 3 on this board. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. And it is red color. Let's look at this number. This is number 4. Let's think where we can place on the board. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. And we have the mighty number 12. And let's think and count where we can place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great! And let's take the puzzle piece and let's turn around. And here we have the wheel of the police car. And we have 2 wheels, but where we should place it? Here you can also see we have a part of the checkboard. Okay, let's maybe combine like this. These 2 puzzles. Great! We combine 2 puzzles. Amazing! And let's look at the airplane. And here we have a cabin where the pilot is sitting. And let's try to place it on this board. Maybe here? Seems to be it should go here. It should fit here. Great. Let's leave it like this. And let's continue with our puzzle journey. And let's pick the orange color. Let's shake it and open it. Wow, we have numbers. And let's go through the numbers. So here we have the number. It is 6 or it is 9. I think it's number 9 and it's yellow color. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. And here we have number 11. Red color. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great. And let's take this puzzle and turn around. And here we have the funny police car dog. And you can see on the image, and you can see the sunglasses of the police car dog. So we can place it right here, like this. And we have also the cloud on the top. Great. We're doing so well. And let's take the wing, and I think it's a wing of the airplane. So let's put it here. I think it's gonna fit. Yes, and we have 2 stars on the wings. Great. Let's continue. And we almost are finished with our puzzles. You're doing amazing. Let's take the blue crayon and let's shake. Okay. Here we only have puzzles and numbers. So let's start with a number. And here we have blue color number, and it's called number 8. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and yes, 8. Correct. And here we have the part of the police car wheel. And I think it should go here. Let's try. No, I think it's the second wheel. Yes, great. And let's look at this one. Here we have the symbol of the police. And it's a shield, the yellow shield with a red star. So let's think where we can fit it. And I think it should go right in the middle. Let's try together. And maybe let's do like this. Let's start from the here and then place it. Okay, we almost got it. We just need to take this part Place it like this, and then, yes, we combined all of those puzzles. Great. And let's look at those two crayons. And we only have two left. We have red color crayon and brown color crayon. Which should we open? And I think we should open the brown color crayon. Let's open. Wow. Look what we have here. And here we have number 7. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you can see it's a red color and it's a shape of the star. And let's look at this number. It's number 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it's a yellow color shape. Let's look at those puzzle pieces. And here we have wheel. And we have another part of the wheel. So if we look at this puzzle board, we can see that there is 2 wheels and we need to connect them like this. Great! And we have also another puzzle piece. And you see it's a windows of the house where the people live. Okay, let's try to place. Here we have a sun and a traffic light. And here we have the windows where the people live. So let's place like this. Great! And here we have the propeller of the airplane. And let's see, and it's really small compared to the tail. So I think it should go front like this. Great! And we're left with our last crayon. And it's a red color crayon. Let's shake it and open it. Wow! We have the puzzle piece, the number, and the airplane puzzle piece. Okay, let's start with the number. And it's a heart shape. You can see it looks like a heart. And it's a number 6. And it's a green color. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. And let's look at this puzzle piece. And here we have the sun. And let's look where we can place it. We have the sun and the traffic light. And I think you should go here because it's the last place where we can fit it. Like this. Great. And we have the tail of the airplane and it's an orange color. And here is the last place where we can fit it. Let's do it. Yes, great. We've completed all our puzzles. We've completed the clock puzzle. We've completed the airplane puzzle. We've completed the police dog puzzle. But let's go back to the clock puzzle and let's learn about the clock. So we have here the 12 o'clock. Here we have 1 o'clock. Here we have 2 o'clock. And this is called 3 o'clock. And this one is called 4 o'clock. And this one is called 5 o'clock. And this one is called 6 o'clock. And this one, yes, it's 7 o'clock. You're right. Great. And this one is called 8 o'clock. And this one, remember? Yes, it's 9 numbers, so it's called 9 o'clock. Let's turn around again. And this one is called, yes, 10 o'clock. And this one, yes, it's a 11 number, so it's called 11 o'clock. And the last one is 12 o'clock. Great. And we have here the yellow color. Here we have green color. Here we have red color. Here we have blue color. And this one, you know it. Yes, it's a yellow color. This one is green color. Correct. And this one, what is this color? It's a red color. Let's look at the 8. And this one is blue color. And number 9, what color it is? It's the same color as the 5. Yes, it's yellow color. And let's look at the 10. Which color it is? Let's look at the 2 and 6. It's the same color. It's green color. And this one, 11, let's look. Okay, it's the same color as 7, 3, 11. It's red color. And the last one is blue color. Great, and you can see that Minnie and Mickey Mouse are pretty happy with the work that we've done. Great, amazing. And I'm gonna see you in the next video.
Great, well done. And here we have game number 3. Let's go.
Hello kids, and today we're gonna learn about the farm animals. And we have the farm animal board where we have different farm animals. And we also have the rooster and the dog. And Mr. Pig gonna help us to solve all these puzzles. So let's start. Okay, so the first animal that we're gonna pick gonna be, let's see what Mr. Pig gonna choose. Mr. Pig is choosing this one. Okay, so let's turn around, and who we have here? Here we have a rooster. Great. So let's find a place for the rooster. Okay, so maybe it could be here. No, so we need to find the same shape like this in this board, right? So we need somewhere to place it. Maybe let's try here. No, maybe let's try here. Yes, great. We found our first animal. Okay, so the next one, Mr. Pig gonna help us. Okay, it's this one. So let's turn around. And who we have here? It's a goat with a bell, right? So let's see where the goat is going. The goat is trying to find where it can be placed. Okay, the goat. And the goat goes here. Great, we found the second piece. The goat, the animal, the farm animal. Great. So let's look at Mr. Pig, where the Mr. Pig is going. Mr. Pig is saying this one. Okay, let's take this and turn around. And who we have here? Here we have goose. Okay, so you see it's a white and it starts with letter G, goose. Great. So let's try to find the place. So let's see where the goose is going. Right, let's start from here. Here comes the goose. Where the goose is going. And yes, great. We found another place for the goose. Amazing. So let's continue with the next animal. And here is Mr. Pig. And Mr. Pig gonna show us. Mr. Pig is saying this one. Let's take this one and turn around. And who we have here? It's a bunny. Okay, so where are we gonna place the bunny? Look at how small it is. So bunny gonna start from here, and here is the place for the bunny. Great, well done. So let's find the next one animal. And okay, Mr. Pig is saying this one. Okay, who we have here? It's a lamb. And let's look where the lamb is going. So lamb is searching the place. This one, no. Lamb is searching the place where it could go. This one, no, maybe. And yes, great, the lamb found her place. Amazing. So let's continue. And Mr. Pig again gonna help us to find the animal. And this one, okay. And who we have here? Let's look closely. Here we have sheep. Great, so where are we gonna place the sheep? The sheep we're gonna place, let's look where the sheep is going. Sheep is trying to search for the place, right? So let's try to help her. It could go here, right? Great, we help the sheep to find her place. And then let's continue with the next one. And Mr. Pig is saying this. Okay, so here we have the bull. Okay, so the bull is going and trying to find the place, right? Where the bull is going. And here is the place for the bull. Amazing. So, let's again. Here's Mr. Pig. And Mr. Pig gonna tell us where the next one. This one. Okay, so let's take this one and turn around. And who we have here? It's a duck. So let's look. The duck is going. So the duck trying to find place. And here is the duck play. Great. Well done. Okay, so Mr. Pig again saying that we should take this one. And let's turn around. And who we have here? Do you know who that is? Do you know it? It's a cow. Okay, where we can place the cow? The cow we can place here. Great. Another piece that we found. And let's continue. We left with 3 pieces. So, Mr. Pig gonna help us and pick the right piece. This one. Okay, so let's take this one and turn around. Who we have here? Do you know who that is? It's a donkey. So the donkey is trying to find the place. And here it could go. Great, well done. So we found the place for the donkey. And there is 2 others left. So which one should we pick? This one or this one? Let's try to find this one. Okay, let's pick. And who we have here? Do you know who that is? Can you name it? Can you say it loud right now? 1, 2, 3. It's a pig. Okay, let's place the pig. The pig is going here. And great, we found the place for the pig. And here's the last one. Let's turn around. And who that is? You know, it's turkey. Turkey. Okay, the turkey is going to find the place. And let's look where the turkey is going. Okay, turkey is searching for the place where where your home is. And here's the home for the turkey. Great. Well done. So we found all the farm animals and we also, Mr. Pig helped us. Great. So the next one we have the dog. We have the farm dog. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to solve this puzzle right now. So let's go like this. Okay, great. So let's done it. And let's try to find the puzzle pieces for the dog. Great, and Mr. Pig gonna help us. So the first step that Mr. Pig is saying, we should turn around the cubes like this and try to find the puzzle pieces for the dog. So let's do it. So, and let's ask Mr. Pig for the help. Mr. Pig, is this a dog puzzle piece? What do you think? Yes, so we're gonna place it here. Then, let's take this one. And if we don't know, we can always ask the Mr. Pig. Is this a dog house, Mr. Pig? Is it a dog house? Yes, we're gonna do it here. Okay, then let's take the next one. Maybe this one. Okay, what do we have here? Turn around and see. Mr. Pig, is this the puzzle? Is this the part of the dog? Mr. Pig is saying yes, so let's take it and see. Great. And let's take another one. This one and turn around and let's see if we can find the dog. Mr. Pig, is this a dog? Mr. Pig is saying yes, this is the dog house and this is the ear of the dog. Yes, so then let's take another one. Maybe this one. So here we have the dog house and the bone and the food for the dog, right? Yes, Mr. Pig is saying. Okay. So the next one, let's take and turn around and see if there is some kind of dog or dog house. Mr. Pig, is this a tail of the dog? What do you think? Mr. Pig is saying yes, this is the tail of the dog. So then let's take the next one. Mr. Pig, what do you think of this one? Is this a face of the dog? Mr. Pig is saying yes. Okay. Let's take another one and rotate. Yes, yes, that's what we need. It's the eyes of the dog. Great. And then the next one. Mr. Pig is saying that this is the flowers from our puzzle, you see? So we're gonna take this. Great, we found another puzzle piece. So let's continue. And turn around. And who is that? Do you know who that is? It's a dog. Okay, let's take to our puzzle. Great, and the next one? Let's turn around. Can we find dog or maybe dog house or maybe some kind of flower? So let's ask Mr. Pig. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Mr. Pig, not sure. Okay, so we're gonna move it away right now. So then let's take another one and rotate and see. Let's see if there is the dog. Mr. Pig, what do you think of this one? Is this might be from our puzzle? Mr. Pig saying that yes, we should try. Okay, we're gonna place it here. And let's take the next one. And turn around. And let's see. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Is there any puzzle piece that we need from the dog? Yes, this is the puzzle piece from the dog. Thank you, Mr. Pig. And then the next one. Let's turn around and see. There is the dog. Interesting. Let's look for it. And we can't find. Okay. Let's move it away. And then the next one. There's the dog. Let's see. What do you think of this, Mr. Pig? Mr. Pig is saying that this could be the tail of the dog. Okay, let's take this. And we have the last one. So let's rotate and see. Mr. Pig, what do you think of this? This is the legs of the dog. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Thank you. Okay, we found all the puzzle pieces that we need. So, the first thing that we're gonna do, gonna be the face of the dog, right, Mr. Pig? Yes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place it like that around the puzzle board, right? So then we're gonna start with the face. So we're gonna take this face and place it here. And then we're gonna take the eyes and together. Great, well done. And then we're gonna take the mouth of the dog like this. Amazing. And then the ears of the dog, right, Mr. Pig? Yes. Okay, great. So let's combine them. And then we have the dog house. Okay, so here is the dog house, like this. And there is the roof of the dog house, like that. And there is another here, and the house, a dog house. Great. Thank you. Mr. Pig is helping us, so he's gonna help us with the legs. So he's saying that we should take this and this puzzle piece, right? So this is the legs. And then we should turn around and try to place it like that. Okay, so at the bottom. And yes, okay. And then we have a tail of the dog. So let's maybe place it like this or maybe here. Right. There is another puzzle piece. The tail of the dog, right? Okay. So what we need is the body of the dog. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna rotate and place it in the middle. Great. And there is the flowers. Remember the flowers. Okay. And here is the ear of the dog. Right here. Great. And we left with two puzzle pieces, right? That we need to still to find out which one should we use. So maybe let's turn around and see. So this could be the back of the dog, right? So let's place it. Great, amazing. So the last one would be the paw of the dog, the small part. It could be this one, you see. Here is the paw of the dog and great. Well done, we've completed the dog puzzle. Amazing, thank you, Mr. Pig. And then we're gonna take our another puzzle with the rooster. So what we need to find here is the rooster. So, Mr. Pig gonna help us. So, here is the rooster, the head of the rooster, right? The face. So, Mr. Pig is rotating them, and he gonna help us to turn around and see if there is the rooster, right? So, let's do it. This could be the rooster, right, Mr. Pig? Yes, okay. So, let's move it like this. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Mr. Pig is really smart, right? So he's gonna help us to solve this puzzle. Let's try to find the rooster. So we have these two puzzle pieces. So then we're gonna rotate another one. Oh, Mr. Pig is saying this is another one that we should take. Great, amazing. And then let's go with another one. So this is the tail of the rooster. Here. Okay, and then another one. Let's see. It could be this one. Yes, let's take this and great. And another one. Mr. Pig is helping us. He's saying it could be this. Okay, let's do it and take. And yes, well done. And Mr. Pig is helping us hugely with this. He's saying that this could be the body of the wing of the rooster. Alright, so let's do it. And great, so we only need two puzzle pieces. So, Mr. Pig, what are you saying? This one, or let's rotate and see. Mr. Pig is saying that this one could be. Okay, let's take this. And yes, indeed, this is the right puzzle. As always, Mr. Pig is always right. Okay, and the last one. Let's see. And yes, here is the rooster. Okay, so let's move it like that. And great, we found all the puzzle pieces of the rooster. Amazing, we've completed all the puzzles. So we've completed the rooster puzzle piece, the dog puzzle piece, right? And the board with the farm animals. So we learned about every animal on the board. Great. So this is the cow, bunny, rooster, goat, sheep, goose, lamb, duck, bull, pig, donkey, and turkey. And here we have rooster and dog. Great. Thank you, Mr. Pig, for helping us to complete all of these puzzle pieces.
Amazing! We just completed the game number 3. And here we have game number 4. It's time to play and solve it. Let's go!
Oh, where did the alphabet go? And where the puzzles go? We need to find them. And we have beautiful crayons. So let's start and let's pick our first crayon. And the first crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the yellow crayon. So let's shake and open. Wow, so many things we have here. So let's try to find the alphabet letters. Okay, we have 3 letters. And we also have pieces for the puzzle. But let's start with the letters. So here we have letter D. And let's do it. A, B, C, D. And it's a green color. And here we have letter F. And let's go through the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F. Great, well done. And it's a blue color letter. And here we have letter called, and you know it, it's letter E. And let's go. A, B, C, D, and E. Great. We found 3 letters, and then let's continue with the puzzle. So what we have here, I think it's a spaceship. Okay, let's take the body of the spaceship and let's try to place like that at the moment. And let's see, maybe we should turn around and then turn around again like this. Seems to be all right. And then the next thing that we're gonna take gonna be the rocket engine. Let's place here the left wing, right? Here we have the right wing. Great. And let's take the where we should place. Here's the tail. It's gonna connect with our tail, right? So let's take the tail. Here we have a fire. Great. And the last one is the front body of the spaceship. And great. We've completed this puzzle really quick. Well done. And let's open the next crayon. And the next crayon that we're gonna open gonna be the pink one. And okay, here we have only letters. So let's learn about them. So this is letter M. So let's go through the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And here we have letter N. And where we should place the letter N? N. After M. M, N. Great. And the next one we have letter O. O. So it goes right after letter N. O. So it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Great. And let's open the next crayon. And the next crayon that we're gonna open gonna be the green one crayon. So let's shake. And okay, we have 4 letters here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's go one by one. So this is letter V. 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 So we need to place it on a board. And you can see here's the shape of letter V. So we can place it right here. Great. And the next one letter, we have letter X. X. So we need to place here. You see? X. Great. And the next letter, we have letter Y. And it goes right after the letter X. Right here. Great. And the next one letter, we have letter W. And you can see already where we can place the letter W. It goes right after letter V. Great. Here. And let's go through the alphabet. So we found the letter D, E, F, M, N, O, then V, W, X, and Y. Great, we still need to find other letters for this alphabet. So let's continue and let's open the next crayon. And the next crayon that we're gonna open gonna be the blue one. Great. And what we have here is letters. Oh, there is different letters, and also we have a puzzle piece. So let's start with the letters. So here we have letter K. K. So let's think where we should place on the board. Here we have the shape of the K. So let's place right here, and it's a yellow color, right? So this one letter is letter H. Let's see where we can put it. It goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Great. And the next one letter we have letter G, and it's a violet color, the same color as letter O. So letter G goes here, right after the letter F, like this. Great. And the next one letter we have letter J. Where we should place the letter J? You see H, this one is I, and the next one J. J. Great. And the next one letter we have is letter L, and it's a green color letter. So J was orange color, K was yellow color, G was violet color, and H was red color. And here we have letter L. 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 So it's a green color. And it goes right after letter K. You see J, K, and L. Great. We're completing one by one the alphabet. So the next one, we have the letter I, and it's a red color. So the letter I, you see there's empty space for the letter I, and it's the same shape. So let's place here. Great. And let's go through the letters that we found. We found letter D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, V, W, X, Y. Great. And let's continue with our puzzle. And what we have here is the excavator. And let's try to assemble this. And let's go to our excavator puzzle right here. And let's see. Here we can see that this is the wheels. And wheels are always at the bottom. So let's place like this. And the next one, we have a crane. I think it's a crane. So we can place right here. Great, with a star. And the next piece that we have is a red door. Great, and we should place in the middle. So it's gonna connect the upper excavator part and the lower part. So here we have the part that would connect the door with the wheels. So we need to place like this. Great. And the last one we have, it's a cabin. It's an orange color. So we need to place like this. Great. We've completed the excavator puzzle. Amazing. And let's continue with our crayons. And the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the red one. So let's shake and open. Great. We have many things here. And let's start with the alphabet. So here we have the letter Q, letter P, and letter R. So let's move to the alphabet. And can you see where is the letter P? Can you see it? It's right after the letter O. Here it is, letter P. And it's a red color. And the next one we have letter Q. And where is letter Q? Can you see this one shape? Yes, with a small tail. Great, let's place. And the next one right after the letter Q, we have letter R. So let's place like this. And let's go through the alphabet. So let's start. What letters we found? We found letter D, letter E, letter F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, V, W, X, Y. We still need to find missing letters, but we almost completed this alphabet. Great job. And let's continue with the puzzle piece. And here we have, I think it's a ship, but let's look. Yeah, it seems to be a ship, so let's move those puzzle pieces to our ship puzzle board. And let's start. So, let's start maybe with the body. Okay, with the front part, and let's place like this. Great. And the next one we're gonna take gonna be the cabin. And maybe the cabin should be at the top, right? Like this. And the next one we have is the body that's gonna connect our wheels. Okay, and let's turn around like this. And yes, it goes pretty well. And let's take the wheels, right? Like this. Maybe we should turn around again. One more time. Great. And the last one part is the window. We can place it. Yes, well done. Amazing. And we almost completed this puzzle. We completed already 3 puzzles with the ship, with the excavator, and with the spaceship. And we almost found all the missing letters. So let's go for the crayon. And the crayon that we have here is the brown one. So let's open. And here we have the letters. We have 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's take the letter S. And let's turn around and see where we can place the letter S. Do you see the place where we can do it? Yes, it's here. Letter S, yellow color. And the next one letter, we have letter U. And it looks like a magnet. Okay, where we should place the letter U? Can you see? Yes, it should go right here. Right? Great, and it's a green color letter. And the next one letter we have is a letter Z. Let's turn around. And it's an orange color. Where we should place this letter Z? Here. Great, and it's ending our alphabet. And the letter T, where we should place? See, S, and then goes letter, yes, T, and it's a green color. Great, we almost completed our alphabet. And we have our last crayon. Let's shake. Open. Great, we have letters and we also have a puzzle piece. Airplane puzzle piece. So let's start with the airplane puzzle piece. And here you can see that we have a puzzle board where we can place our puzzle pieces. So here we have the left wing, right? So we need to place like this with a star. And here we have the right wing. It doesn't seem to be a right wing. It seems to be a tail of the airplane. So let's place like this. And here we have a small right wing, violet color, also with a star. So let's place like this. Great. And the next one we have the, I think it's a cabin again. So we need to place at the top and connect with the wing. Great. Here we have a windows and a body of an airplane. So let's try to connect all together. And it's a really valuable piece because it connects all other pieces together. Great. And the last one is a propeller. So where we should place? Yes, in front. Great, like this. And we completed the airplane puzzle. Congratulations. And we also have 3 letters. We have letter A, letter B, and letter C. Okay, let's take the letter A. And where we should place the letter A? The alphabet always starts with letter. Yes, A. Great. And it's a red color letter. And the next letter that we're gonna take gonna be the letter B. And after the A, which letter comes next? Yes, it's letter B. And it's an orange color. And the next one letter we have is letter C. And C letter is yellow color. So it is A, B, and C. Great, we've completed the alphabet. And let's go through the alphabet one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, then Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Congratulations, we completed the alphabet and we also completed our puzzle. So we have the ship puzzle, we have the excavator puzzle, we have the spaceship puzzle that we completed, and the last one puzzle that we've done was the airplane puzzle. Great, amazing, well done. See you in the next video.
Congratulations! We just completed the game 4. And here we have our game 5. Let's start!
And today we're gonna try to solve all the puzzle game on this board. So we have dolphin puzzle pieces, we have fruit puzzle pieces. We're gonna learn about the fruits, and we're also gonna learn how to count till 10. And we have different fishes. So we're gonna put this away in our crayons, in our colorful crayons. And let's start. Oh, where did they go? We don't have puzzles and we don't have fruits. Let's try to find them. Let's look at these crayons. So one of each crayons contains the fruits and puzzle pieces. Okay, let's start with our first pink crayon. Let's take it and let's shake it. Okay, here we have puzzle pieces and we also have a fish. And let's do one by one. Let's start with our puzzle pieces. And as we said before, we're gonna find the puzzle pieces for the dolphin. Okay, we have the corner puzzle piece and the side puzzle piece. Okay, where we should place them? Let's look at this one, the first corner puzzle piece. And you can see here that this part of the image matches the puzzle. So we can try to place it here, like that. And then we have the puzzle piece where we have the part of the dolphin. And it should be somewhere here. So let's try to place it like this. Great, we've combined our 2 puzzle pieces. Let's move on to our fruit board. And here we have cherries. And let's think together where we can place the cherries on this board. So we have 2 of them. And let's place it. Yes, let's place it here. Great. Let's continue with the next one. And here we have orange. And let's think where we can place. Maybe we can place it here? No, the orange doesn't have leaf. So let's try to place it like this. Great, we found our two fruits. And we also have our fish, and it's a pink color fish. And this fish is number 7. Okay, let's place fish like this here. And let's pick our next crayon. And our next crayon gonna be, yes, it's gonna be red crayon. Let's open, let's shake it. And look, we have new stuff here. We have new puzzle pieces, new fruit, and new fishes. But let's start with our puzzle pieces. And let's turn around them together. So we have side puzzle pieces, so we can only place them on a side, right? And it goes same for this one. So let's think together where we can place them. So here we have the part of the dolphin again. And you can see here, I think it's somewhere there. So let's place it right now at this place. And think where we can take the next one, where we can put it. And I think the next one we can combine with the corner puzzle piece. So here we have the tail of the dolphin. And here we have the corner puzzle piece. Let's connect them together like this. Great. And here we have a pear. And pear we can place somewhere on the board. And I think it should go here because it's the same shape as the pear. So let's try. Great. And let's continue with the fishes. And we have fish number 3. And it's a red color fish. Let's place it here. And here we have fish number 4. It goes right after the number 3 fish. Like this. Great. We already found so many stuff. But let's continue with our puzzle adventure. You're doing super. And let's take our next crayon, which would be the blue crayon. Let's shake it and let's open it. Okay, we have fruit, we have puzzle piece, and we have fish. Let's start with the puzzle piece. We have corner puzzle piece, and you can see here that we have small star that's smiling. And let's look at this small image. And here we can see that the star is here, so we can place it right in that corner. And then we have a fish, and this fish is number 9, and it's a blue fish. Let's place it somewhere here. So it goes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. And next one we have lemon. And let's think where we can place the lemon. It might go here. But the lemon is too huge for this shape. Let's try to place it here, like this. Great. Let's continue with our puzzle adventure. And the next one we're gonna pick gonna be the yellow crayon. And look, we also found the new fruit, and it's a watermelon. And let's think together where we can place the watermelon. And it's our secret watermelon that we found by accident. It was after the crayon when we picked, like this. Okay, let's think where we can place. I think it should go here because it's really big for any other shape. Great, we found our secret bonus watermelon. Let's take our yellow crayon and let's shake like this. Let's open it. Okay, we have different puzzle pieces and fishes. And we don't have any fruits. Okay, let's start with the puzzle pieces. And we have corner puzzle piece. And here we have a mouth of dolphin. And I think it should go here because it's a corner puzzle piece. And let's take the next one. And the next one is the body of the dolphin. And I think it might go somewhere here. Let's try. Let's try. Yes, Great! We found already so many puzzle pieces. And we also found two fishes. One is yellow color and it's number 1. And another one is 6 number and it's pink color. So let's think together where we should place them. So the counting always starts with number 1. So 1 goes here, then goes 2 that we still need to find, then goes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's try to find other fishes, other fruits, and other puzzle pieces, and let's complete this big puzzle game. And let's take this brown crayon and let's shake it and let's see if we have something there. Let's open. Wow, we have so many things here. And let's start with puzzle pieces. And we have 2 puzzle pieces. And we have corner puzzle piece and we have side puzzle piece. And this side puzzle piece we should turn like this, because here is the mouth of the dolphin and here is the mouth of the dolphin. So we can connect them together and we can have completed another puzzle piece for our board. And another one is also corner puzzle piece. And here we can see on the image it matches this puzzle piece. We can place it like this. Great! We only left with 3 puzzle pieces. Great, congratulations, but let's continue with other things. And we found 2 fruits. We found the green apple and we need to place somewhere on the board. And let's try here. No, it doesn't go here because it's still a place. So it's a bigger fruit than the apple. So I think the green apple should go here. Great, we found the place for the green apple. And here we have the fruit called lime. And lime is really small. And I think it should go maybe here, or maybe here. So maybe let's try here. No, it's too big. Maybe let's try here. No, it's too big. And maybe the last one. Yes, it works. And we also found the fish number 10. And it's a violet color. So let's place it here and let's count. 1, 2. We need to find the number 2. 3, 4, 5. We still need to find the number 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great! And we only left with 2 crayons, with orange crayon and with green crayon. So let's take, yes, the green crayon. And let's open it, shake it, and open like this. And here we have different puzzle pieces, fish, and a lot of fruits. We have 3 fruits. So let's take the puzzle pieces first and then continue with other stuff. So let's see what we have here. Here we have the side puzzle piece and here we see the eye of the dolphin. So here's the eye of the dolphin and it matches. So we're gonna place it, yes, like this here. Great. And here we have another side puzzle piece. And we should place it here. It's a rock and here's a bit of grass. Let's place it here. Great, we only left with 1 puzzle piece. Okay, let's continue with our fruits. And we have 3 different fruits. We have red apple, we have peach, and we have plum. Okay, and red apple, it's called red because it's a red color. Okay, and we should place the red apple, yes, here. And then we have a peach. Let's think together where we can place the peach. Maybe it could go here. You see, it's too big for this place, so we cannot put it here. We need to find another one. Maybe here? Yes, it works pretty well. And another one is plum, where we can place the plum. It's really small and it has the violet color. Maybe it should go here. No, it's too big for this place. Maybe it could go here. No, it's too big for the shape. And the last place where we can put it would be this one. Let's do it together. Yes, great. We've placed the plum and we almost completed our fruit board. And the fish that we found is green color and it has the number 5. Okay, let's think together. We can place the number 5. We have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and after number 4, it always goes the number 5. Great! We only need to find 2 more fishes. So let's continue with our puzzle game. And when we only have a last crayon, and let's shake it. Let's open. All right, we have puzzle piece, we have fish, we have different fruits. So let's start with puzzle piece, and this is our last puzzle piece. But it's also really interesting because we need to turn around the puzzle piece to make it match our image. And we turn around nicely and let's place it. Amazing! We completed our puzzle piece with dolphin. So then the next one that we're gonna complete gonna be the fruit puzzle board. So let's take the raspberry and let's think together we can place. And you can see it has really curly shapes. So maybe it could go here. Let's turn around. No, it doesn't go. I think it's because we turn around not the right way. Let's turn around again like this. And let's place it. Great, well done. And the next one we have strawberry. And the strawberry is only one place where we can put it. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Great. We completed our fruit puzzle board. And we only left with 2 fishes. We have fish number 2 and we have fish number 8. So let's start with fish number 2. And let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hey, congratulations! We completed the whole puzzle game. We found all the fishes, we found all the fruits, and we found all the puzzle pieces. So we completed the puzzle piece for the dolphin, and we found a red apple, orange, peach, cherry, lemon, lime, strawberry, pear, green apple, plum, raspberry, and watermelon. And we found all our fishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great! You're done this amazing. See you in the next video.
Yay, that was great! And the next game, our last one, it's game number 6. So let's prepare ourselves and let's go!
And today we're gonna solve the puzzle about 2 dogs, and this puzzle is called Be Kind. Okay, let's start. Let's open the puzzle. And it is Paw Patrol. Yay! So let's open it and see. Okay, great. And let's start with searching for the corner puzzle piece, right? So that's what we're gonna start with. So that we have, this is the first corner puzzle piece, right? So we have another corner puzzle piece, so it's a corner, right? We need to find another. Oh, it's the third one. Great. And there is the, fourth one. So we found 4 corner puzzle pieces. And let's look at the image and see where we can place them. So here we have a butterfly, and butterfly is on the top right corner. So we're gonna place it here. And this one is on the top too. So here we have the flower, right? It's there behind the Paw Patrol. So let's place it here. Okay, and then we have the letter B. So here is the B letter. Be kind. So B, right? So we're gonna place it here. And then another corner piece we're gonna place at the bottom right corner. So first what we're gonna do, we have the word Be Kind at the bottom. So let's try to find the puzzle pieces for the word Be Kind. So we need to find E, K, I, N, and D letters. So let's start to search for them. So there's the E letter, right? So let's turn around all of them one by one and see where the other words. Can you see the other puzzle pieces that have the words? I can see them. So there is the first one, the second one. Let's take them and let's place them here and then continue our discovery. So let's turn around this one, right? So there is, okay, there is also, this one is the letter, this one, and this one. Let's take them all together and let's move them to our puzzle. Okay, so we have a lot of letters here, right? Okay, let's start with the letter B. So there's the B, part of the B here, and E, right? So we can combine them like this. Great. And let's take the next letter. So what next letter we have here is letter K. Okay, and here we have the letter K here. So we can combine it like this. Great. And after K, what letter we have? Letter I. So it's be kind. So it's letter I. Let's connect them. Yes. Great. And the last letter we have is the letter D. So let's connect. Yes, we have be kind. Let's take this one. So it's a part of the D letter. And let's combine like this. Great. Let's take another one. And here we have the letter K and the letter I. So we can connect like this. Great. And another, we have letter E, right? So letter E goes here. So there is the heart and letter E and K. Great. Let's connect them. And another one, what we have here is letter N, right? N. So we're gonna connect like this. Great. Amazing. And the last one gonna be for the letter B, the part. Let's connect. Yes, so we completed the be kind. So if you look at the package, you see that there's be kind, and we just completed the be kind by finding the puzzle pieces for all the letters. So that's what we were focused on. And right now, what we're gonna be focused is that we're gonna focus on that side puzzle pieces. So we're gonna go like this, right? So let's start. So here we have the side puzzle piece. Let's try to find the side puzzle piece. Is there where we have one side like this, right? So we need to find all the side puzzle pieces, right? This one is the side puzzle piece. This one is the side, right? This one with the heart, the side puzzle piece, another side puzzle piece. Maybe let's take this one is the side puzzle piece. And this one, this. Can you see any others? I can see. So there is another one, right? Can you see any more? No, there is no any. So let's start. So here we have the part of the bow, and here is the part of the bow. So let's try to connect them like this. Great. And next one, what we have, if we look at the image, we have here the mouth and the heart, right? So here is the mouth. And there is the heart. So let's try to go. So here is the heart and here is the mouth. Let's connect. Great. You're doing amazing. And let's then take our eye. And if we look at the package, we can see that there is the eye. And then it starts the rainbow, right? So we're gonna take the eye and connect. Great. You're doing amazing. So the next one thing's gonna be about the rainbow. So let's think which the next puzzle we should take. So there is two puzzle pieces that represents the rainbow, but which one gonna work? So we're gonna try to test. Is it this one? Yeah, it goes pretty well, so it's this one, correct. And then let's take our corner puzzle piece, right? Like this. Great. So let's then think about the top side puzzle pieces. What could be on the top? So on the top we could see that there is the rainbow on the top, right? The orange color. So let's take the puzzle pieces with the rainbow like this and let's try to connect, right? So let's try this one. So here we have a flower, here we have a rainbow. So here also we have a flower. Let's connect like that. Great. And let's take the next one, rainbow. So maybe it's this one. Let's try. Great. And we just need to find the puzzle piece that would connect the butterfly and the rainbow. And I think it's this one because here we have the wings of the butterfly and a part of the rainbow. So let's try to connect them together like this. Amazing, we completed the top puzzle pieces. And we just need to complete this side, right? So if you look at the package, we can see that goes from the top to the bottom, from butterfly till the legs of the dog, right? Let's try to find them. And where we're gonna start, it's gonna be the legs of the dog. So if we look, here is the heart, and here is the legs of the dog. And if we're gonna look at the package, here is also the heart and legs of the dog. So let's try to combine like this. Great. And let's then take another one. And next one, what we're gonna take, gonna be the butterfly, because the butterfly would be easy to connect. So we need to find the parts of the butterfly, right? And there is the small parts of the butterfly that we could connect. And let's try, press softly, great. And then we have the ending of the rainbow here. So then starts the ear of the dog. Let's take it like this and place and press, great. And the last one, side puzzle, because we don't have any more side puzzle pieces here, then last one would be this one. So let's connect like this. Great, we've connected the puzzle pieces here. So we connected the right side puzzle pieces, the top, the left, and the bottom. So right now we're gonna work in the middle of the puzzle piece. And where we're gonna start to work is by connecting the side puzzle pieces with those puzzle pieces that needs to be found and connected. So let's try this one. Here's the eye of the dog, and here we can see that there is the eye of the dog. So let's try to connect. Great, amazing. And let's then try to find the badge of the dog. So you can see there is the badge, and if you look at the package, we also have here like a small badge, right? And here we have a small badge. So let's try to connect down here, right? And let's do it. Great, amazing. And let's then work through. So then we have a paw of the dog. So let's look at this one. Here we also have the paw of the dog. Here we have a mouth of the dog, right? And let's try to connect like this. Yes, works pretty well. And the next one is the face of the second dog, right? Here is the mouth. And if we look in the package again, if I go back to the package, we could see that there is the mouth and there is the eyes, right? So we're gonna take this and we're gonna try to combine. Yes, goes really well. And then we're gonna take the second eye of the dog. And here's the eye, and here's the part of that. Yes, great. And the last one gonna be the claws and the badge of the dog. So here's the parts of the dog, and here it's missing, right? So we're gonna try to connect. Yes, you're doing really well. And the next one gonna be, we're gonna start with the helmets, with the heads of the dog. So here is the one piece, and here is the another. So here is the part of the dog, and here is the head of the dog, right? So we're gonna connect. Yes, really good. And then we have another head of the dog and ear. So let's try to connect like this. Amazing. And we are only left with 3 puzzle pieces for the rainbow. So let's take them together and let's see where we can place them. So this one we can do, maybe we can do like this. No, because we have here different colors. So if we're gonna turn around and we're gonna press it softly, then yes, it works. And if we're gonna take this one and we're gonna place it on the right side, try it, yes, it works. And another one, what we need to do here, we need to turn around because the white thing is closing, right? So we need to press like this, and we completed the wolf puzzle. And this puzzle is called Be Kind. So we started with the corner pieces, this one, right? Then we tried to find all the side puzzle pieces. And after we completed the border of this puzzle, we started to go through one by one through each dog. And then the last that we've completed was the rainbow. And we've done this really good. Well done. Congratulations. Amazing.
Yes, you've completed all games. Well done. See you in the next video.
Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.